Everything's ruined. What am I gonna do now?
And that's the winning number.
Hello?
I'm Tom, assistant to Antonio Caprio, the lawyer to your uncle Richard Miller. Mr. Caprio would like to speak to you about an important matter.
Yeah, I've been fooled enough already. I don't have time for this shit. I am Linda. Linda Garcia, the most miserable person in the world. If the girl you see now could hear the sentence I'm about to say, she'd probably burst out laughing. But this moment was the beginning my life turned from a disaster into a fairy tale. But wait. This is where I need to start telling you my story first.